still have old stereo speaker at home, the player may be broken, but the speakers are still amazing. Today I will show you how to bring them back to life with the modern amplifier, with AUX, USB, and even Bluetooth. Let's make this classic sound brand new again. Test this device. Hi everybody, welcome to new Tec Pro channel. If you have this amplifier and need to test, you don't need this. As you can see, my old speaker, it's a high quality, very good subwoofer, tweeter and mid-range. First you need connect wire speaker. Here you have two output speaker, left and right. Now I try turn it on. Also you can use 12 volt AC/DC adapter in home or use in car by 12 volt DC here. For use in car you need this. You can see how to make this in this video. Let's try test. Test number 1 with AUX cable. For input you can use this. That's good. Now I try play music with AUX cable in my cell phone. You can use this remote control for up volume and down volume, and equalizer here, change mode, power on and power off, change channel radio FM, and select number music here. Now let's go to test number 2, USB flash memory. Before testing USB, please subscribe new Tec Pro channel and like and support us. If you need this device, link for buy in description. Let's go.
Play by USB drive.
Wow, very powerful. As you can see here, you can control bass and treble here, and control volume up and down. I try pause music, that's good, pause, and play music, and next music with this key. Okay, that's good. It's very high quality sound. Now are you ready for testing Bluetooth? Let's go. Test number 3. Bluetooth play music. For Bluetooth play music, you should select Bluetooth input key for changing
Bluetooth mode.
Before I start testing, please see this playlist. It's very helpful for audio system. Now I try connect Bluetooth. Here you can see Bluetooth is this device. Touch for connection.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.